Thank you for joining me as we review academic dishonesty in a remote learning environment. My name is Claudia Perkins, and I'm the Student Rights and Responsibility Coordinator with Student Affairs, and I'm here to assist you with any questions you may have regarding academic misconduct. Since we moved to remote learning in March of 2020, the Office of Student Affairs has noticed an increase in academic misconduct allegations. In this short PowerPoint presentation, we'll review the academic sanction form, the flow of an academic misconduct allegation, and the academic honesty statement of San Diego Mesa College. Let's review what happens when you believe a student has committed academic dishonesty. The first thing you will want to do is to contact the student and discuss the allegations of academic misconduct by email or Zoom. If after your discussion with the student you believe an academic violation did not occur, the case is closed and you do not need to submit an academic sanction form. If, however, you believe academic dishonesty occurred, you would submit the faculty academic sanction form seen here. This form can be found under Faculty and Staff Resources. If you have any problems finding the form, please do not hesitate to contact me and I can email the form to you directly. As you can see, the form includes your name, the student's name and CSID, the date of the incident, the course number, and the assignment or exam. Please include as much detail as possible when completing the evidence of academic dishonesty and attach any documentation you believe will be relevant, as this will aid student affairs when we meet with the student to discuss the allegation. The form then requests you enter the academic sanction you as a faculty member determined was appropriate. This can include assigning a 0 for the assignment or exam, reducing the grade for the assignment or exam, allowing the student to redo the assignment or exam, or another sanction that you feel is appropriate. You would then include information as to if you had a conference with the student and if your chair was at the conference. A conference with the chair is not required, and usually it is the faculty member who will meet with the student to discuss the violation. The faculty member will then submit this form to their school dean. At that time, the school dean will complete the bottom half of the academic sanction form and submit it to the Student Affairs Office to be processed either informally or formally under Board Policy 3100. Let's move on to the next slide to review the process once your school dean has submitted this to Student Affairs. As is represented in this flowchart, the light blue is what you, as a faculty member, has already completed. You've already determined if an academic misconduct allegation occurred, and you moved forward with submitting your faculty academic sanction form to your school dean. Once the dean submits it to Student Affairs, let's review what happens, whether it moves forward informally as indicated by the purple or formally under Board Policy 3100 by the red. So informally, Student Affairs contacts the student to discuss their choices, educate the student on academic integrity, and discuss the seriousness of academic honesty and how it can affect their future. In addition, Student Affairs offers resources, including tutoring, plagiarism workshops, DSPS, Student Health Services, EOPS, and any other resources needed by the student to be successful. If the student accepts the academic sanction, the case is closed. Under the red, which is the board, which represents Board Policy 3100, moving forward formally, Student Affairs meets with the student to discuss the student's choices, educate the student on academic integrity, discuss the seriousness of academic honesty and how it can affect the student's future, and also offer any resources to include tutoring, the Writing Center, plagiarism workshops, DSPS, Student Health Services, EOPS, and any other resources. In addition, Student Affairs applies administrative sanctions under Board Policy 3100. These administrative sanctions can include a reflection paper, participating in community service, probation, and suspension. If a student accepts the academic administrative sanctions, the case is closed. If at any time under informally or formally, the student may appeal the case under AP 3100.3. The student will submit a petition requesting an appeal and within 10 days, the student will meet with the committee, which would include the instructor, the chair, and the dean, to review the allegations of academic misconduct. If the committee overturns the academic sanction, the case is closed. If the committee upholds the academic sanction, the case is also closed. However, the student may submit a grade challenge form to the Vice President of Instruction. If at any point you have any questions regarding the academic sanction flowchart, please do not hesitate to contact me. Let's now move on to the San Diego Mesa College Academic Honesty Verification Statement that we are hoping every student will sign before they take an exam on our campus. Studies have shown that by students verifying that the work they submit is of their own effort can help in alleviating academic dishonesty. Therefore, we're hoping that you will either use this statement or form one yourself so that before the student begins their exam, they are verifying that the work they are submitting is of their own effort. This slide is our San Diego Mesa College Academic Honesty Statement. You will find this statement on Student Affairs webpage and other departments' web pages. We're also requesting that you place this academic honesty statement not just in your syllabi, but also on your Canvas. Our goal is that students will understand that the entire community at San Diego Mesa College expects academic honesty at all times. If at any time you have any questions regarding academic honesty concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me either by email or phone. Student Affairs is committed to working with students and faculty regarding any academic honesty concerns, and we look forward to collaborating with you on this very important issue. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful semester.